Welcome to Phoenix Trading. So here we are again seeing the Nifty outlook for the week. So as since many days, the Nifty is not going anywhere. If you see, there is a tight range of 18,300 and a downside 17,700. So this 600 points range, Nifty just playing and just consolidating, and the structure is not looking good actually. Nothing to say much about this week actions. Past week, Nifty has hit a high of around 18,250 and then given up every gain. And past 3 days continues lower high, lower low structure is there. Nifty is now, if I see the SGX Nifty, it's showing 150 point plus closing at night around 18,110. So that will be our closing above its support level. So if Nifty sustain 18,100, 18,060 level, that will be a good for the markets. We can see a short covering. So this is the level 18,000. This is the level you should watch for. And if Nifty couldn't not able to sustain those levels, then again we can see a downside of 17,600 and 17,400. So that will be a massive selling, and apart from this Nifty, we can see a major selling in small cap and mid cap sector also. So let's hope that Nifty will hold those levels for our swing trades so that we can get benefit of it. And right now for investor, it is a good time to start accumulating, as every 1 or 2% downside you can accumulate a good quality shares. Of course, seeing those level also, do not blindly invest in any share, and these are not recommendations. These are just the study purpose. I'm sharing all the charts. So yes, Nifty has created kind of inverted cup and handle bottom. So if this support, this is a major support now. 17,800 will be the major support. So and this trend line also. So if this trend line get break on the downside, then we can see a major fall in the indices, and those targets will be around. We will see from the breaking level, it will be around 16,700. That will be the this bigger support zone for Nifty. So coming time is not good for the market. Very uncertainty is roaming around, and you can see a zig seesaw. Every day Nifty is up like around 1%, and next day it went down 2%. So your portfolio also fluctuating that. So finally take care while doing trading in this period. We can see Bank Nifty now. Bank Nifty is also holding its support. We can see here little demand appears from this level, and there is a shadow of this candle also. So so Bank Nifty need to gain this level of 43,000 to resume its upward journey, and the supports. So if this supports get break from the downside, then again we can see a major selling in the banking stock also. Nifty Metal is holding right now, and it has achieved our target. Here it missed by like a margin, but few days back it hits our target. So I am not holding any positions in the metal stock as it hits the target, but I am waiting that any correction around this 50-day moving average, I will try to take some swing trades. So yes, metal is good, looking good. Pharma is really bad, in bad shape. There's nothing happening. Lower high, lower structure is still continuing, and nothing much there to tell in pharma. IT, as I said in the last video, that it is not looking good, and we can see further more correction in the IT, that as it's looking very, very bearish. So same thing is happening, and last 3 days we saw a major breakdown in the IT stock, right? So IT is really bad condition. Do not trade into IT. And for investment also, it is not looking good. we can see a major correction and you can get a major opportunity in the IT stock, but you should wait for those levels, right? Then FMCG is into zone, nothing is happening in the FMCG also. Nifty small cap after a like a horrified breakdown from those levels, now it is sustaining again. Demand rises from this major support and it is holding now for a while. So small cap is not that much into bearish moment as a Nifty, but we need to see what will happen in the coming week. Nifty Auto took support from its major support level. So this was a major support level and it took a support for a while. But be careful in the autos also. PSU Bank, I'm not holding anything because it has already created a double top and we can see a fall or a correction in the banking stock. So I'm waiting to get something around this level. This will be my buying zone. I already draw these two levels, right? This is a gap and this is a long-term trend line. So I'm waiting like to get some kind of good correction on in this zone. Then only I will add my positions in the PSU Bank sector. By the way, it's very far from its trend line or a previous breakout level. So we need to wait to till that level comes or some kind of a time correction or in this level, right? 15%, nearly 15% fall expected or correction expected, because right now PSU banks are really highly valued for in the short term. As I said last time also, don't buy at this level. These are the real expensive short term valuations now. So kindly avoid PSU banks for a while. Energy is giving up every support now. It is not looking good, and for Reliance also, for ONGC also, it is not looking good. Like major, we can see all kind of red candles appearing here. So all over the selling or a sideways movement in all sectors is not a good indication for the Nifty or the market. Here is the mid cap also. Mid cap is purely into this range now. As you can see, nothing happening. Yes, stock specific movements are there, but you need to very like very choosy what to select, what not to select, right? It is not kind of a market that you can buy anything and you will earn a good profit into a swing trade, or you can just buy on the closing of the 21-day moving average and you can book the profits. No, it's not that kind of market. And you can't do any BTST, STBT kind of situation because the market is very uncertain in the global cues also. So yes, that's it for the indices. Now we can quickly check the India VIX. India VIX also into range, nothing to talk about. USD-INR is cooling down, and after giving a breakout from this level, it is now coming to this support trend line as well as the 50-day moving average also. So if 50-day moving average get break on the downside, then it's a really good thing for Indian market and we can have some relief. So let's see, and I don't want, or Indian market don't want this level to get breached on the upside, right? So let's see what will happen in the coming week. So I have two trades or two swing trades, good opportunities here for this week. I will share those. First stock is GPPL. GPPL is, I will convert this into a weekly chart. GPPL after retesting this trend line many times, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 7 and 8. It is testing this trend line on this 8th time now, and after breaching this trend line with a really good bullish candle and on a rising volume basis, this need to be very this is a basic requirement that trend line should get break on a good volume. So the yes, volume is there, and now the retesting is happening here. Retesting also done for the week, right? So 96 is a really good opportunity here in the GPPL, and your stop loss will be this swing low. So I will mark this stop loss also. This will be your stop loss, 81 rupees. your buying price will be the 96 rupees, right? So we will check out what is the risk and what is the reward now. So I'm opening a long position here, and this is a weekly chart, so your stop loss will be little more than the normal swing trade. So 14% will be your stop loss. So I am eyeing at least 28% from here. So let's click till the 28%. Yes. So 125, 120 level is exactly in the previous swing highs levels. So yes, we can get this kind of target, and after achieving this target, the one more pattern can arises like this kind of pattern. What is this called? And this is the level. It will retest this level. So this is an inverted head and shoulder. After achieving this target, I will book my profit around 120 level, and I will buy again GPPL around 100 rupees. So here my two trades are aligning. Like if everything goes in my direction, then I will have an opportunity to take two trades in the GPPL. So then this target will be the head more 40% from the breakout level, right? So this will be 28%, and from current level it is around 38%, 40% level. So right, so it's a good opportunity, and 172 level also tallying with this kind of highs in the swing lows. So my trade is there. First target is 120, then I will book 120, 125. I will book there, and again I will try to buy around 100 level. So yes, first I will get around something around 23%, and in the second trade I will eyeing on the 30%. So overall 50% trade is on in the GPPL. So this all will be the very long term. Even if it took a 1 year to all these two trades to get reach its on its target, still 50% in a 1 year is a really good return, right? And second trade is ICICI Prudential. It is really holding now its long-term support on a weekly basis. So your risk is very low at this point. 473 is the current market price, and this swing low will be your stop loss. So what is the risk here? It's only 8 to 9% risk, right? It's a really good risk reward trade. 18% is there, and my target will be 1:2 as always I do in a swing trade. So 560, 550 will be my target, and around what I can say 430 will be my stop loss. So these two trades I'm eyeing in this week. So check with your financial planner or the consultant and do your trade accounting according on your risk. So yes, that's it for the day. Have a nice weekend. We will meet in the next week. Thank you.